Hi, my name is Tamber. I am a volunteer with the Days for Girls organization. We make period products that are reusable for women in countries that don't have access to disposable period products or can't afford them. Our focus is on women in poor countries, but it occurs to me that there are plenty of women in rich countries who could use these products as well. Perhaps they can't afford disposable period products. Perhaps they want a more environmentally friendly product. Perhaps the disposable products irritate their skin. If any of these describe you, then I'm glad you found my videos. These products can also be used for incontinence, so you don't have to have periods to need them. I'm going to show you how to make a liner, which is what collects the blood or urine, a shield, which is a waterproof barrier that protects your underwear and holds the liners in place, and a transport bag, which has a waterproof lining, and it's where you put your used liners and shields until you can wash them. If you're watching my videos because you want to make products for the Days for Girls organization, then please see my video about their guidelines. They have stricter guidelines than what I'm going to show you here. Their standards also change, so please contact them for up-to-date information before you get started on a project. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in video 2 where I help you pick out your fabrics.